Now you can have multiple Google business profile pages on one account in the CRM. I absolutely love this update. I know a lot of you have been waiting for it. Now you can connect multiple Google business profile pages to a single account within the CRM, streamlining management and enhancing visibility of messages, contacts, and reviews. Let's talk about those benefits. Well, first of all, this is going to simplify management. Easily connect and monitor multiple GBP pages, all within the CRM. This is going to help you enhance visibility. It's going to allow you to view and monitor all reviews from connected Google Business Profile pages within a unified interface. And it's going to allow efficient review management. Seamlessly track and respond to reviews from all connected Google Business Profile pages right within the CRM. Now let's talk about that practical use. Now, a small business owner who is operating multiple Google business profiles, which we know happens, can now effortlessly manage communication and reputation across various profile pages from a centralized location right within the CRM, which is going to enhance customer engagement and brand consistency. Who doesn't love that? Now, let me show you exactly where to access this new area of our CRM. So first of all, you're going to start with accessing settings on the lower left-hand navigation. Then you're going to go ahead in those integrations on the left-hand settings navigation. And then from there, you're going to make sure that you're on the upper integrations tab. Now you're going to locate the Google icon and you're going to click the new multiple pages button. What you're going to see here is that you can actually link up all of those pages. You can toggle on pages and update those pages. So let's talk about adding more pages. So to do that, we're going to click on Change Settings. Again, we're still in that integrations area and we're under that Google icon. From there, you're going to choose from any connected pages. And we can now select pages in reputation management. So that is going to be under that settings menu on the left-hand navigation. You're going to go to reputation management. Then you're going to click on get reviews. And what's great is now you can select the page and save. So you can actually go back and forth utilizing the Google business profile of your choice. So now let's talk about viewing and replying to reviews. For that, you're also going to be under your settings navigation, under reputation, and then you're going to be in the reviews tab. And you'll see all of those areas where you can connect with, where you have already synced your CRM to be with, right there in those areas. With the integration of multiple Google Business Profile pages with the CRM, now businesses can efficiently manage their online presence, saving time and ensuring effective communication and reputation management. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.